Hi there, my name is Lisa Flanagan and I am the instructor for civil litigation. I wanted to make this video today to introduce myself and give you a little bit of background, a little bit of my background and a little bit of background on the course. So I will start off by telling you that I'm a licensed attorney. I am licensed in the state of Virginia. I went to college and law school in Virginia. And then after law school, I moved to Washington, D.C., and I practiced corporate law for a large Washington, D.C. law firm for about 8 years. I loved my time there. I learned so much and gained such incredible experience. But after some time, I decided to take some time off from the law to be home with my kids. And when I did that, I discovered legal studies classes, and I really found my passion. I absolutely love teaching legal studies class. I love getting to know students, having interesting conversations, answering questions. So I hope my passion for teaching these classes shines through to you in this course. And that brings me to this course. The title of this course is Civil Litigation, and so that makes you know that we won't be discussing criminal matters. We'll solely be focusing on civil matters. So as you know, criminal matters involve crimes. It's usually when a person maybe gets arrested and the state government or the federal government prosecutes the case, and it involves a crime and usually results in some kind of either jail time or probation or monetary penalty. That's the criminal side of things. That can be distinguished from the civil side, which is what we'll be learning about. Civil lawsuits typically involve parties that are not the government, so it could be a corporation against an individual, or two corporations suing each other, or it could be two different individuals suing each other. So for example, if I was in Walmart and I slipped and fell on something that was left on the ground, I could sue Walmart for negligence, and that would be a civil suit. If there was a property dispute between landowners, that would be civil. Divorce cases are civil. Pretty much anything that doesn't involve a crime being prosecuted by a state or federal government. Okay, so I think you'll find it interesting. I hope to make the course interesting, and I hope we have some great conversations about the subject matter. We're going to cover the whole gamut of civil litigation, and we'll start with different types of courts. We'll learn how to bring a civil lawsuit. We'll learn how to respond to it. We'll consider different evidence and different motions that come up during trial. We'll consider the judgments and what happens after trial, such as the appeal process. We'll consider ways to avoid trial. So we really will run the whole gamut. And I think that, again, I hope and think that you'll find it interesting. Okay, and I also wanted to note that I do understand that each of you are very busy. Many of you have jobs and families and other obligations besides school. So I really do try to be flexible. If something comes up and you need some extra time on an assignment, please feel comfortable and free to reach out to me. I really do understand that life gets in the way of school sometimes, even when we have the best of intentions. And I would rather this class be a worthwhile, useful learning tool for you as opposed to something you're really stressed about and you're just trying to scramble to get the work done. Okay, so reach out to me if you have any questions about anything, or anything about my policies or about the course. And I very much look forward to working with you. Thanks.